When it comes to the big brick conversion kits market, you might expect a few well-known brands to dominate. But the market is more competitive than it appears. Brembo holds the largest share at 18%, followed by Willwood with 8%. PowerStop account for 7%, while StopTech and AP Racing hold 6% and 5% respectively. The real picture becomes clear when you look beyond the top players. Together, the top 5 companies account for only 44% of the market, leaving the remaining 56% in the hands of many other manufacturers. This keeps competition strong and creates room for other companies to expand their market presence. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.